MLA Jirang constituency la ajim kran hakmat ki shilspa san phongo re ki samla kan the bat chinrang ki shnong ba phe ring ka than berni han ki bala pandep ki jing sha hikai coaching class ka 100 ta yu kan thi ki bala ajin hikai halor kilani wat kam sarkar ki bang badru kumju ha ki jing khon exam ki ba kan tho because UET CLET lambat ki we uba es so ton MLA ka Jirang constituency la ong ba maul kum unong mi khamar uthrang ban angnud e ban pynyoh ye ka building ka ba pakka but ka coaching class ka ba pakka ka ba ne shirta hari Bhoi khrang ba kan long jing man ta ki khun samla jong ka te ka than baro ka we ha ka te ka snil sa khi de ka jing don ba erik khar video umling block uba yai ne wa lang rang ba snong lum nang thamai lambat ki we ha ka bai ka te ka program man sa mi ki te ki sorno la pynlong haying dor bar ka snong lum nang thamai berni han
the sanction and in helping through the administration to the Deputy Commissioner of the Bhoi district, along with the office of Umling Block, our BDO Umling Block, along with your local MLA. I hope that this program, which you have already attended for the last 6 weeks, I hope this coaching class will make you succeed in your future interviews or any other exams which you are going to write. Dengan scam ba pi baro pilaya kibalayo e kini ka jihikai lingba kini ka coaching class ka ba lingba ka jirap jo honorable chief minister ha ka jih trailang lingkat baru MLA ka administration of deputy commissioner lingkat ba ka office jong video umling block ngakerman scam ba ki khun samla ki ba don ya kata ka jeng angnud ane ya ka jingkrang ba maki kinyo e kalat talenti na ka benta kano ka exam ka ba kinto kano ka jingmentoy na ka benta ka jong ki baro iwe kumbolong mane ngadon ya kata ka jingkrang ba ka jing angnud ban warna ya ka permanent building ka banlong ka permanent coaching class na ka benta ki khun samla jong ka thain ka jungi khnang ba kinyo ya ka jingmentoy ba kinla banyo ya ki knowledge ki ba thamai na ka jihi kai jong kano ka institute ka banwan ban shimenta banwan IJ kai pi na kanta ba kinyo ya ki jihi kai ki ba thamai khnang ba mapi pila ban let ban fees. We need the institute, the time institute to come for another coaching class. We will be discussing with them so that all the candidates will be facing for the for the future exams in any interviews, that they will get more and more knowledge to learn from the knowledge sharing by the time